Are you tired of clicking through the Google admin console hundreds of times just to update or create multiple entries? Meet SheetOps, the Google Sheets add-on that lets you manage your workspace directory at spreadsheet speed. To bulk archive Google Workspace user accounts, open your Google Sheet and select Extensions SheetOps Users. You can use SheetOps filters to fetch users from specific organizational units or manager chains. Or, if you already have a list of user emails to archive, select just the sheet. I will paste the emails of the departing users into the template. Once pasted, the status column populates with a drop-down. Set the status to archived for these users. You can also drag the cell fill handle down to apply this status to all rows at once. Notice how the edited cells highlight in yellow to show pending updates. Archiving converts accounts to archive user licenses, saving up to 80% on subscription costs while retaining data for Google Vault e-discovery. Make sure your domain has available AU licenses. To archive these users, we need to check the boxes in the Apply Changes column. You can click and drag across the checkboxes or select the first checkbox, hold Shift and click the last one. Then press spacebar to toggle all selected checkboxes at once. When the confirmation prompt appears, select No, since we are updating existing user statuses to archived. SheetOps will now process the requests. As each user is archived, the yellow highlight disappears and a green updated log entry appears in the changelog column. If your domain lacks AU licenses, an error message will display here. All selected users are now archived. If you ever need to reactivate an archived user, simply change their status back to active and apply changes again. You can also use Fetch with filters and select Archived under user type to load all archived accounts onto your sheet for reactivating. SheetOps directly connects with official directory APIs from your Google Sheet for data fetching and update. Hence, none of your data leaves your Google account. SheetOps will connect with its backend server only to verify your license status. Install SheetOps now from Google Workspace Marketplace. Link in the description below.